And in last video, we learned about variable, but it was a little information. So today I will discuss it again. So let me start my Python code. So as we can see, in last video we have discussed about variables. What is variable? So as we already get know that variable are name storage location used to hold data in programming. Variable is a container that will hold one value at a time. Every variable will have a name. Every variable will have a type like int, that means integer, str, that means string, float is float, and bool is boolean. Every variable will have an address. So today we will start from variable. So first I would like to tell you that variable is like a container, as I said or as I have written over here. So basically, variable is like a container, like a box in which we can put many things. Like you can put a integer in, I mean int, like integer, and string, bool, float, and any other things like username, etc. So the so when we choose a variable and we will put a value, or we will assign a value to the variable, and this value will get stored in the memory so that we can use, or so should I say, we can reuse the value that have stored in memory. So it will easy for us when we are programming. Okay, then let me type. So if let me comment this line. um, so if I took No, if I assign a value like if I type a variable like x, it should be in small letter x, which is of type int. We will always mention that data type, because when we are beginners, so it is time to learn. After some time when we after some time when we will get expert in this Python program, so then we cannot, if we not use data type, it will okay, but initially we need to use, so that we can remember what data type is, the variable. Okay, so let the space equal to, if I give if I assign a value like 10, so it will get stored in memory, and when we call the variable s, it will give the output 10 as 10. Let's try. If I print, we don't need to print the value 10. If we want 10 back, or the value, so we need to print the x. So within parenthesis we will type x, and it will give the value. First save this video by control s, so save this program control s, and then print this. Let's go to the terminal, new terminal. There are many ways to print a or to run a program. So I go to this program, Python space variable dot py, and enter. So let's see, we got 10. Python gonna Python will get know that, oh, this is x, and this will Python will go and find where is the value of x in memory, and then then it get the value, that is 10, and it give us the output 10. So if what happened when I want to update this value? Let's do it. If I update this value, and I have to give again x. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Here, this is int. This is type of int, so it should be int. Let's do it again. So if I update this value 15 instead of 10, then let's do it 15. Then again we will go to print. And again, within parentheses, we will give x. And then what happens? It's going to print 15. Oh, let me comment this line. Hmm. Again, enter. See, it will give us the updated value. That means 15. Again, if I go to take another variable, let's y of type int. This time we will not give a simple value. This time we will give a calculation. So let's x multiplication 2. So let's print. We don't need to print or we don't need to calculate manually. Python will calculate automatically. Print in parenthesis y, and we're gonna execute. Let's execute this. Hmm. So we will get the output as 30. If Python will go and find the value of the variable y, then it will find that, oh, this is x into 2. And what is the value of x? Then it will go back and find that, oh, x is 50. So now we will get the final result as 30, which is the multiple of x into x and 2. The calculation of this line is all happening behind the scene. Now I'm going to show you why we need variables. As we know that variables are a very important function of Python. So let's comment this line, these two lines. And now, so let's, if I say print within parentheses, within double quote, my name, is Tanvi. Again, in the second line, that means only fourth number line, I'm gonna write print within parentheses, then double quote. So here I'm gonna write Tanvi watch movie movies. Again, print, then double quote, Tanvi like likes patriotic movies, patriotic movies. Let's execute this program. And so see, my name is, the output is, my name is Tanvi. Tanvi watch movies. Tanvi likes patriotic movies. So here, this is okay. I mean, this program is okay, but there is some problem. If further we want to change this name or we want to update this name, so we need to go and change one by one. Like if I write here Tulsi, Tulsi. So we need to change here also Tulsi. Again here. Then Python space. My name is Tulsi. Tulsi watch movies. Tulsi likes patriotic movies. This is okay, but it will take time. This is short program. If we choose a very big program and then if we need to change anything, then we have to go one by one and change the change whatever we want. So instead of doing this, if we took a variable or if we take a variable like let me show here, if I'm going to take a variable like name of type string, that means str equal to, I'm going to write here Tanvi. As it is a string, so we need to take double quotes Tanvi. So what will happen if I put here Tanvi? Let's execute the program. Nothing happened. My name is Tulsi. Tulsi watch movies. Tulsi like patriotic movies. So is it is as it was. So now we will check what variable can do. So here, if I now I will change here and I will write here name. That means that is variable. So here also will it work? Let's check. Oh, my name is name. Name watch movies. Name likes patriotic movies. So it didn't work. So as we see the output is my name is name, name watch movies, name like patriotic movies. So we need to add something. Here, Python think that it is just a text. So it is not taking name as a variable. So if we want to show this, this is a variable. So we need to add here double quote and a comma. Here we need to delete it. So what will happen? Let's check. Now, my name is Tanvi. It it is already changed. My name is Tanvi. So that means, and here we can see one more thing that my space name space is and space Tanvi because here comma is working as a space. If I don't put the space, then what will happen? Let's check it out. So see, I didn't give a space here, but Python by default take a space because of this comma. So here we also need to change that means name and a comma. We also so now let's check. See, my name is Tanvi. Tanvi watch movies. Tanvi like patriotic movies. So this is gonna change. This is the power of variable. Again, if we want, let's first delete this all. Then further, if I go for another variable, I mean, if I want to update this variable, so what can I do? Name of type string, then double quotes. So see, so what will happen? Nothing changed because here we update the variable, but Python don't know because here we have already given the variable of type string and the value is name. So here, if we let's copy this mm, and here, I'm gonna paste. Now, if I use the program, see, my name is Tulsi. Tulsi watch movies. Tulsi like patriotic movies because here we just update the variables. Well, variable. and it's update the value of the variable. But we didn't give any information or what it will do. Here we can do one more thing. If I give another variable, like because I am using the movie here and here also, so I can use another variable for movies. So let's do, what should I write? Let's do the name film of type string equal to movie movies. Now we have already copied. Let me paste here. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let me comment this line so that it will be easy. Check. See, my name is Tulsi. Tulsi watch movies. Tulsi like patriotic movies. Nothing gonna change. Now I am going to change this word because I have already chosen a variable for this word. So let's again we need to give a comma, and here I'm going to write film. That means variable. This variable. Here also I'm going to delete this comma and then film. Let's run the program. See, my name is Tulsi. Tulsi watch movies. Tulsi likes patriotic movies. So here I took a variable which is of type string, that name is film, and the value is movies. So I have given here the variable. This is one more thing I want to say about this. See, this is within parentheses is a static part, and the name is variable. So this is the power of variable. If we use a variable, so we can put a string, int, float, boolean, or username, anything, so that whenever we want to use it again and again, we can use the name of variable only and we will get the desired result. So friends, this is all for today. Next video, we will discuss another thing, one new thing. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and I will come up with a new and fresh video. Thank you.